Listen, I have a question. You know how messed up the economy is and how expensive things are these days, right? Well, I know where you can go to eat and where there's a nice selection of food, and of course, where the prices won't break your pocket, brothers, nor break your pocketbook, sisters, and that place is Frankie's. This is and always have been a place with food for a family outing, family get-together, or just an old-fashioned place to eat and enjoy a pleasant atmosphere. There are burgers, fries, chicken and hot dogs, and definitely some soft drinks. Oh, and of course, where the food is fresh and with a lot of room to sit and be comfortable. Located in West Haven, Connecticut on the Boston Post Road, of course. And they have a full menu. Again, fries, burgers, regular and deluxe. Lots of seating, and if the weather is nice, you can even sit outside. Oh, and the place is nice and clean. You may wonder, is there parking? The answer is yes, lots of parking. And if a person doesn't have a car, the bus runs right there. Also, the owner, Billy, is always there, and sometimes you won't recognize him because he also works behind the counter. He's a very pleasant guy, and the workers there are also polite and very friendly. The prices haven't gotten outrageous like all of these other eateries have, and I know that because I go there to eat food, and prices are as good as they were when I was 14 through 16 years old in the early 80s. Frankie's was right there then and still there now. All of these years later, it's still there, and I'm in my late 50s. I always get the bacon cheeseburger deluxe, and the soda is refillable. You don't get ketchup and mustard packets because they have the ketchup and mustard dispensers right there under the TV screen, which is always on, in case you want to watch the news or whatever they have on at the time. I'm actually on my way there now. Hopefully, I'll see you there. And in the words from Billy, the owner himself.
My name is Billy. I want to let you know, come to Frankie's, try their seafood, hot dog, burgers. They're made fresh, never frozen. And we have good service, good price. That's pretty much it.
Don't forget, when you come in and visit Frankie's of West Haven, 1151 Boston Post Road, West Haven, Connecticut, 06516, say I saw the commercial and you will get a cup of free soda from the soda fountain with your order. This is only happening at Frankie's of West Haven.